Are you struggling with your protein intake just like me every day? Today, I'm making a simple, healthy, and balanced meal plate with baked salmon, buttery broccoli, sweet potato, and fresh salad. This is one of those easy meals that look fancy, tastes absolutely amazing, and is actually very simple to make. For this recipe, I am using salmon cut into pieces. To marinate the salmon, I'm adding red chili powder, lemon juice, grated garlic, salt, and some Italian seasoning. Also some turmeric and a little oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Alright, once you add all the seasoning, now mix everything really well so that all the salmon pieces are nicely coated with the marinade. Let it sit for a while so the flavors soak into the fish and cooks really perfect. This is such an easy way to include more protein in your meal, and salmon cooks so quickly, which makes it perfect for busy days. I like keeping the seasoning simple so the natural flavor still stands out. Once you set your salmon marinated, we can go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then when the oven is ready, place the salmon pieces on the baking tray and bake them. I am coating my baking tray with some oil. You can use any oil or butter of your choice. Alright, I have plated my salmon pieces onto the tray and slide the tray right into the oven now that it's ready for us to start baking. About after 10 minutes of baking the salmon, I usually turn them to the other side so they cook evenly and get a nice texture on both sides. Let's get to prepping the sides for this balanced meal. For the sweet potato, I steam it usually for about 15 minutes until it becomes soft and perfectly cooked. For the broccoli, I first steam it and then saute it in a little butter for about 5 minutes. I place them all together into the same steamer. Alright, our salmon is cooked for 10 minutes, so I am going to turn them to the other side so that they cook evenly. Okay, I think my broccoli is steamed well enough, so I'm taking a pan, adding some butter to it, and adding the steamed broccoli to it. I also added some salt and pepper to keep it simple and flavorful. I like my broccoli slightly buttered and with some salt and pepper. After turning the salmon upside down, I have let it cook for about 10 minutes. It has baked for about 20 minutes now. The salmon is perfectly cooked, juicy. These kind of meals help us have this balanced plated meal. So it's simple, colorful, and very beginner friendly for sure. You can make this for weight loss, clean eating, or just a light homemade dinner. I am trying to plate my meal right now. I have some salmon pieces, sweet potato, and also slightly sauteed broccoli. Sweet potato adds a nice natural sweetness to the place. I think this is the kind of meal that I would go for every day because it keeps you full and satisfied. It has all the flavors you need, right? With simple ingredients like this and the right seasoning, you can make meals that are both nutritious and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye then. Take care.